Welcome to our lesson on mode in statistics. Today, we'll learn what mode is and how to find it in different data sets. So what is the mode? The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. It's one of the three main measures of central tendency in statistics, along with mean and median. Let's look at a simple example to understand the mode better. Suppose we have this data set of test scores: 85, 70, 90, 85, 60, and 85. Since 85 appears 3 times, which is more than any other value, 85 is the mode of this data set. To find the mode in larger data sets, it helps to organize the data into a frequency distribution. This shows how many times each value appears in the data set. The value with the highest frequency is the mode. Another way to visualize the mode is with a bar chart. The height of each bar represents the frequency of each value. The tallest bar corresponds to the mode. It's important to note that some data sets might not have a mode if all values appear with the same frequency. For example, in this data set, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, each value appears exactly once, so there is no mode. On the other hand, a data set can have multiple modes if 2 or more values appear with the same highest frequency. For instance, in this data set, 20, 30, 20, 40, 30, 50, both 20 and 30 appear twice, making this a bimodal data set. The mode is particularly useful in categorical data where calculating the mean might not make sense. For example, if we survey people about their favorite color: blue, red, green, blue, yellow, blue, red, and green. Blue appears 3 times, more than any other color, so blue is the mode. Let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of the mode. The mode is useful because it works with any type of data, including categorical data. It's not affected by extreme values or outliers, unlike the mean. However, the mode may not exist, or there might be multiple modes, which can make interpretation challenging. Also, the mode might not be representative of the entire data set. In summary, the mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. It's especially useful for categorical data and is not influenced by extreme values. Remember that a data set may have no mode, one mode, or multiple modes. When analyzing data, consider using the mode alongside the mean and median to get a complete picture of your data's central tendency.